11 months ago, this YouTube Shorts channel was created that's now generating over $500 to $8,000 per month. The crazy part is it's really easy to make this type of content, making this business about 99 passive. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how this is possible, so you can add an additional stream of income just like I did by tapping into one of the world's most valuable resource. Attention. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trade Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and make passive income from YouTube Shorts. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, let me tell you, subscribers really don't matter, or at least they don't as much as other platforms. I see YouTube Shorts channel that almost have no subscribers with millions of views. And I also see channels with tons of subscribers who almost get no views. This tells us one very important thing. It all comes down to how long you can get the average viewer to watch your video. Because the average attention span of nowadays is only 8.25 seconds. So we need to make it count. Whether you have 1,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, the most important metric is watch time. If people watch your video all the way through, then YouTube will keep pushing your shorts videos until people stop watching. Let's go ahead and answer your questions first. What are faceless channels? A faceless channel doesn't show their face in their videos. Sometimes they'll even keep their names anonymous. It may not even reveal their real voice. It's less about the person creating the content and more about the content itself. This type of channels had a lot of advantages, like the business model is highly scalable, allowing you to grow as your skills and resource expand. Minimal hardware requirement. You only need a few software tools. There's no need for complex hardware logistics. No on-cam requirement. You can run a successful channel without ever appearing on camera if you prefer not to. Low initial investment. You don't need substantial amount of capital to get started, making it accessible to many. Vast audience. Instagram is one of the largest platforms for consuming video content, offering access to a vast audience. Long-term earnings. A single video can continue to generate income for years to come. You see that there are a lot of advantages, and these are only some of them. Now, are faceless channels even worth it? Faceless channels can be a lucrative venture if your goal is to generate income on Instagram. In my opinion, it is one of the most convenient and effective ways to establish an online business. While this approach may not be the best if you desire to establish personal connections and drive sales, it can be a money spinner. In fact, faceless channels makes a ton of money, hence are called cash cow channels. Faceless channels provide unique opportunities for growth, creativity, and substantial earnings. If you consider learning from successful experts, you will realize that faceless channels are unquestionably worthwhile. Now let's get on with step 1, finding your own niche. Begin by identifying your area of interest or expertise. Select a niche that you are passionate about and has an audience on Instagram, because this will be the foundation of your content, and you will be spending a lot of time creating content on that particular topic, so you have to be passionate about your niche. Of course, you can go ahead and do that and find a topic that you are really passionate about, like we talked to. Now that you know your niche, you can now go over and start making those content. But as I've said earlier, watch time is the most important concept. And I actually created a viral checklist for YouTube Shorts to help you go viral as soon as possible. It goes like this. Will someone stop scrolling to check this out? Will someone click this short from their home feed? Will someone watch this and pass the few seconds? Will someone want to comment something productive? Will they be satisfied after watching my short? Will they rewatch this? Or will new viewers subscribe to see more in the future? If you can check off every one of this, then you have a viral banger on your hands. I highly recommend that you save this for later, because it's what I use every time I create a piece of content. And trust me, it works. So what does it all mean to you, to your chosen niche? Well, I'm about to show you. Whether you're making history content or sports content, there are few cheat codes that we can use to hack the algorithm into giving us better watch time and more views. The first one is that we need people to get to comment. When someone comments on your YouTube Shorts, the video keeps playing in the background, which ends up adding to your average view duration. So you can use this to your advantage by inspiring people to comment more on your videos. The amateur way to do this would be to give some call of action that simply says, comment what you think below. But the pro maneuver is much better. You should be putting something that is either funny or outrageous or polarizing in every one of your videos. This taps into the psychology that people love adding witty comments or their opinion on polarizing subjects. So if you can bake this into your content, then you're gonna end up driving more comments results in more watch time and more views. It's truly a chain reaction. The next thing that we can do is to jump cut every 3 to 2 seconds of our video and add captions so it's easier to follow, especially for those people who are bored at work but can't play the video at full volume. So these are some great cheat codes to boost your average views. Step 3. Start posting and study what works. Basically, what I do here is find a clip that works well in the past with my audience, and then I remake similar content to the ones that we have already gone viral. So this means that I remake similar styles, similar video links, and similar overall vibe. This strategy will brought a massive surge of success to your channel. You'll want to double down on what works rather than trying to reinvent the wheel every time you create a piece of content. It will take you a lot of time to figure this out on your own, and I really wish you watched this video sooner. Step 4. Now we're ready to post our video. But we want to optimize our content so that our ideal viewers can end up finding it, and this step is pretty important. What you title your video, the words you put in your description, and the tags all play a key role in how many people will end up finding your video. I personally rely on vidIQ for this one, but I occasionally also use ChatGPT if you're looking for a free tool. Now I will go ahead and reveal the secret sauce, which is time management. Well, how could you truly make this business passive? You could go ahead and find contractors or freelancers on sites called Upwork, LinkedIn, Fiverr, and more. These websites will offer you cheap services for any kind of work. Let's say you took 50 hours to make a single video. That means you are only making $10 per hour. But let's say if someone is working for you, you can go ahead and split that $500 into 50-50, and you will have $250 by basically outsourcing the work. And in the meantime, you could go ahead and think other businesses like this one, or you could go ahead and start hiring other contractors or freelancers to make another video for your channel. With this roadmap that I gave you, I truly believe that you can make YouTube automation a successful business. You just have to put in the hard work, patient, and learn the YouTube algorithm. And over time, you will master your own craft, and you will be at the top of your own niche. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.